Davis's office. I know they got the better assignment than their representatives and senator who have to be in Harrisburg. I'm sure they'd rather be here at Kennywood instead. And then also from Allegheny County Council, Bob Macy, thanks for coming out. And Mayors Chris Kelly and Nicole Nesby from West Mifflin and Duquesne, respectively, along with a lot of other local officials and team from Visit Pittsburgh. So I'm going to turn it over to Kennywood General Manager Jerome Givas to give us a few comments. Jerome.
Hi, everybody. My name is Jerome Givas. I'm the manager at the park here, and I'd like to thank everyone for joining us this morning. We're very excited to have you with us on this first day of spring here at Kennywood. I'd like to share an update as far as what's going on at the site, along with some of the great views of the work that's been done since the last time I think everybody was here in July when we made the initial announcement on Steeler Country. Steeler Country at Kennywood will bring together the best of the amusement park industry and the game of football to create an unforgettably fun experience for all our fans. The Steel Curtain is an ambitious, one-of-a-kind roller coaster that will set the bar high, not only for Kennywood, but for our entire industry. It is the largest roller coaster that our manufacturer, S&S and Worldwide, have ever built. It will set a world record, a North American record, and a Pennsylvania record, which you just officially locked up this past week with the setting of the top piece on the incline, which was just done earlier this week. I think you guys have all saw that. Crews are also working on the station area as we await the final pieces of the structure. Construction of the Steel Curtain has continued steadily since last spring when the first footers were dug and concrete poured. While it's been a tough time navigating Pittsburgh's wettest year on record in 2018, along with a soggy start for this year, we remain on a track with an aggressive timeline to get the ride completed and can't wait to welcome the first riders on the Steel Curtain later this summer. Delivering a safe, enjoyable, and high-quality experience on the Steel Curtain is the goal for Kennywood and all of our partners. Crews have been working extra shifts for several weeks now to get done as much as possible before our season begins on April 27th. While we know the Steel Curtain will not be ready for our opening day in a little more than a month, we are working to get the ride finished and open as early as possible. It is critical to note that the safety and quality will not be compromised. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for Kennywood, the Steelers, and S&S Worldwide. And we're going to take the time to make sure the ride meets and exceeds everyone's expectations once it's completed. While the Steel Curtain is without a doubt the star of the new area, the Steeler Country is much more than just one ride. Work on both the Steeler Experience Building and the End Zone Cafe are moving along quite well. Steeler Country will provide an immersive experience in the game of football, our nation's most popular sport. Guests will be able to emulate their favorite athletes by competing against fellow fans, simulations of Steeler stars past and present. The End Zone Cafe and Tailgate Plaza area offer unique dining opportunities within Kennywood, meant to recreate the tailgating experience without the hassle of getting up before dawn to claim a parking spot, and not to mention the freezing cold temperatures of those December night games. The menu will feature traditional tailgate fare enhanced with upscale twists. Burgers stuffed with cheese, stuffed with bacon, and of course, pierogies. All told, Steeler Country is a massive investment for us here at Kennywood, possibly the largest one-year investment we've ever had. And the addition of new attractions will also boost our standing as the region's largest youth and seasonal employer in the area. So on behalf of everyone at Kennywood, I'd like to thank S&S Worldwide. All our partners are out in the field working in the construction site, as well as our local officials who all helped to clear the way for these additions for Kennywood. Our 120-plus year tradition moves forward, and we are very excited to welcome the Pittsburgh Steelers into Kennywood on a permanent basis later this summer. Thank you.